Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Cash App pools. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, make sure you're using the latest version of the Cash App. If you don't see the pools feature, it may not be available for your account yet, as Cash App is rolling it out gradually to users. Next, open the Cash App and tap the Pools button. Depending on your app version, you may find it on the home screen or under the Money tab. After that, enter the total amount you want to collect. For example, if 5 people are each contributing $20, you can set the goal to $100. Then tap Pool and enter a name for your pool. Once your pool has been created, you can tap Contribute to add your own contribution. Enter the amount you want to contribute and confirm the payment. After you've made your contribution, simply scroll down to the Activity section. Here, you'll see a record of your contribution, including the amount you've added to the pool. As other participants contribute, their contributions will also appear in the activity feed, making it easy to track the pool's progress. Now, tap Add People to invite your friends or family to join the pool. If they use Cash App, you can invite them using their cash tag. You can also share the invitation link so others can contribute using supported payment methods. As people contribute, you'll be able to see all the activity within the pool. If you're the organizer, tap the 3 dots at the top right corner. You'll also have the option to manage participants or close the pool when you've collected enough money. When you're ready, and select Close Pool. Once the pool is closed, the collected funds will be transferred to the organizer's Cash App balance, where they can be used for the purpose of the pool. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Cash App pools. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.